Punguza. Sikia hii. Punguza. Nathaniel. Kuja. Hizi tunamalizia zituapeleka. Lakini hiyo sahani si tunaweza kulia tena. Siende umekulia hapa mchana. Ile. Hata hii.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
Wacha tupea watu wengine wacha tuwape mpaka 8:10 waingie class, then we can start for today's class. Branson, you can talk. Wewe ndio uko kwa class ya jana, you can introduce yourself. Watu wengine wanajijua.
Good evening. I'm here with you guys and I'm ready to learn. I'm Bryson.
Bryson, oh not Bryson. Lydia. Hello Lydia. You can type in the group, tell the others to come to class. You've already started. Or Beverly, either or. One of you can type in the group. good evening. If you can get friendly, Lydia.
Yes, I can.
Okay, that is fine. So I'll be live streaming the class on YouTube. So wale wenye hawatapata the point, we shall be live streaming the classes every day. So mwenye hatapata point, utakuwa na get back to YouTube nitakuwa na share link for group. So we're going to cover introduction to forex trading. Yesterday we had about the guide that we'll be using, which is understanding forex trading, which is a PDF that I came up with. So today we're going to start with number 1, which is what is forex trading. Kwenye mlikuwa class jana I talked about. So what is forex? That question I'll be asking that question to who? Let me see. Lydia, what is forex? Lydia?
It is buying and selling of currencies according to the way they are fluctuating.
Okay, that is according to you. Lydia, what is forex? That is Devlin. Devlin, what is forex? I'm not saying forex.
Forex is just the
Yes.
exchange of currencies.
Okay, exchange of currencies. That's your definition. Bryson, what is forex?
Forex trading is buying and selling of currencies in a way of making profit out of them.
That is forex trading, not forex. So, in short, forex trading is a global marketplace where currencies are sold and bought. It's the buying and selling of currency pairs. It's how forex. Then forex trading is the trading of the fluctuations of the market. That is forex trading. Now, let's talk about this forex today. We're going to cover what is forex. From our write-up, forex, for short, foreign exchange, is a global market where currencies are bought and sold. It operates as a decentralized market, meaning there is no central exchange like stock market. Instead, transactions occur electronically over the counter. You'll tukiendelea PDF, you'll find some place have written OTC through banks, brokers, and financial institutions. So it happens through banks. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over 7 trillion, and it plays a vital role in global commerce, enabling businesses, governments, and individuals to exchange currencies for and investments. Up to that, is there any question? If you react, I won't see. I'm not on the screen, so you can mute your mic and tell me if there's no question. Just tell me no, there's no question.
It's okay.
Question?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah. Mm-mm.
What has Evelyn said? I can't get her well.
No, I don't understand.
Okay, we shall continue. Now, what is this forex trading? We need to know Now, the history of forex trading can be traced back centuries, but modern forex trading emerged after World War II with the creation of Bretton Woods system in 1944. This agreement established fixed exchange rates where the dollar was pegged to gold and other currencies were pegged to the dollar. However, currency values were determined by the supply and demand. The shift gave rise to modern forex trading, which has since evolved with adjustments, allowing retail traders like you and me to participate through online platforms. So, in the past, trading you couldn't trade with when you wanted to trade, you needed tens of thousands of dollars, ten to trade the forex market. But now, for something we shall cover in the next class, God willingly. Bryson, you have been into trading for some time, so if a brief, can you explain to the others what leverage?
Okay. There is a situation where the broker assists you money, not directly, but that money assists you in getting them to the market in terms of margin. So probably if you are depositing, let's say $100, if you're using a leverage to places your capital to 3,000. So that is the amount you are capable of trading in the forex market. If you're using a leverage of 1 to 400, and that is the money that you can access the volume that you can access in the market. Thank you. Basically, the money that the broker assists you to get into the market. Thank you.
Welcome. So up to there, have you guys understood what Bryson has explained?
Yes.
Now, let's talk about the forex market structure. Not market structure yenye ulisoma, yenye Beverly studied. This is just how the forex market is structured. Now, unlike centralized stock markets, forex operates through a decentralized network of financial institutions where the market opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across different global trading sessions. So we have different trading sessions. We have the Sydney session, Tokyo session. Sydney and Tokyo session, most people combine it as one section, and it's called the Asian session. In Kenyan time, it takes place between 3 a.m., if I'm not wrong, 3 a.m. to around 5 to 6, depending on the daylight saving. Bryson, am I right there?
Yes.
Then we have the London session, which takes place in Kenyan time from 10 a.m. to around 12 to 1 p.m., depending on the daylight saving sessions. Bryson, am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Then the New York session, which starts from 3 p.m. and runs through to 11 p.m. Now, since different sessions overlap, the forex market mainly remains highly active, especially during London and New York overlap when trade volume. Now, depending on the pair that you're trading, there are pairs that are active during the Asian session, there are pairs that are active during the London session, and there are pairs that are active during the New York session. What are the examples of pairs that are active during the London session? Those are pairs that their currencies are from countries in Europe. Example, Great Britain pound and the euro. They're active during that time. And the New York session, we'll be looking at the US. New York is in the United States. So we'll be looking at the US dollar, the Canadian dollar. Those are the currencies that we'll be looking at. Then during the Tokyo and Sydney session, which we call it the Asian session, we'll be looking at the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen, and the Japanese yen. Those are the main ones. But we have other base currency, other small currencies like the Swiss franc, which is active during the London session. Who are the participants in this forex market that you're talking about? We're really talking about forex market, yet we don't know the participants. So our participants in the forex market consist of various participants with each with different motivations and trading objectives. Now, I want to stop sharing that screen and I want you guys to tell me who are these participants. I'll start with Beverly. Who do you think are the participants in the forex?
Honestly, I don't think I'll be correct when I say, don't laugh.
Nobody's going to laugh. I
Uh,
think you're mature here.
the Joy.
Okay, that's your answer, which is also
Yeah.
fine. Lydia, any idea?
Central banks.
Okay, almost what she has said, but it's fine. Branson?
So in the forex market, we participate as retailers, and we also have institutions or banks.
Okay, you have an idea. Uh, any other answer that you have aside from those ones? Okay, let's share and get back to now. The participants in the forex market consist of various participants with each with different motivations and trading objectives. Now we have central banks and governments, which influence the currency values through monetary policies and interventions. How do they come through? Uh, in the forex market, there is if you get into fundamental analysis, there is the CPI news, NFP news, which are mainly influenced by central banks and government. When the inflation of a country is high, when the inflation is either high or low, it affects the strength of the currency of that country. We have commercial and investment banks, which facilitate large-scale currency exchange for business and clients. Now, these ones affect a currency's strength uh, with the produce and the amount of business that's happening in that but specific country. We have hedge funds and institutional traders. They trade large volumes of investment strategies they trade large volumes for investment strategies and portfolio diversification. We have retailers who are currently doing that. The individual traders currencies through online brokers. That is what you're going to be doing while you're after studying everything to deal with forex trading. We have corporations and businesses hedge in forex to hedge against currency fluctuations in trade. Now, somebody asked me, what are the benefits and the risks of forex trading? And now, today, this is what I want to answer. The benefits of forex trading is one, there is liquidity and accessibility. The forex market is highly liquid and they share smooth execution of trades at almost any time. So let me talk about accessibility. As yesterday, as I was differentiating between traditional market and forex trading businesses, I said the traditional time, like right now, from 9 open a hardware unless you have enough security. There are financial there is a security risks. Unlike the forex market, at 11 p.m. you can still be trading because the market will be accessible to you at any time. That as long as the market is open. Two, it has a low entry cost. Unlike the stock market, forex trading allows relatively small capital through leverage, which just Bryson has explained right now, whereby you utapata. Who is that one was joined? Welcome, the new person, welcome. Sijui kama bado kama ametoka. So utapata but you can open different positions or many positions across a certain pair of which ungepewa $10 peke yake, you cannot do that. Now that's the low entry cost. Next is flexible trading hours. It operates 24 hours in 5 days, allowing traders from different time zones to participate. And that's why I may explain about the different trading sessions, depending on which one fits you. For example, Lydia was telling me he goes to work, but can favor you. Since you're in work from 8 to 5, the Sydney session happens at 4. You can Sydney, the Tokyo Sydney session. You can take part in the New York lunch, which okay, the New York starts at 3, but from 5:30 There's another. The session is still continuing. You can still take part in trading. So it doesn't matter if you are doing your 9 to 5 job. You can still trade anytime in the forex market. The next one is profit from rising and falling markets. Traders can buy, go long, or sell short, profiting in both bullish and bearish market. Here, you're allowed to trade whether the economy is stable or unstable. Unlike traditional businesses, whereby uchumi, the businesses will be complaining that business is not moving. But in forex trading, doesn't matter the seasons, you still trade. Bryson, do you agree with that?
Yes.
Now, what are the risks of this forex trading? High volatility. Currencies fluctuate rapidly, leading to potential losses. Yesterday, I explained to you about trading, the difference between trading right now and trading in 2022. 2022, the markets were slower. They were not that volatile. The US did not have a lot of scandals at that. Just wakes up and says, does something foolish, and it market. So the market is highly volatile and the currency prices fluctuate. Number two, leverage risks. Well, leverage can amplify your profit. It can also magnify your losses. Leverage was explained by Bryson. Then we have emotional trading, whereby we talked about yesterday, we talked about greed and fear, which often lead to counter reports. And we are talking about an example of money, but due to greed, she cannot withdraw. And now that's what we call emotional trading. In forex trading, we have a section called psychological trading, which we'll cover later, which will help you manage your psychological strengths when trading. Number four, we have unpredictability, whereby economic news, critical events, and financial crises can create sudden price movements. Today, you have woke up early in the morning, you have analyzed the market, your setup is telling you to sell. Then all of a sudden, Donald Trump decides to bomb China. It affects the market. Why? The investors will look, instead of investing in properties, which can, due to war, can be blown away, they'll move to invest towards the US dollar, and because the weapons will be bought, and the weapons are being bought, become strong. But now other people will see, since it's China and China is a powerful asset, more will move to gold. A powerful country or a superpower, more investors will move to gold. And with that, gold will, depending on whichever side it is. So the market is times. So you need to be updated in whatever is happening in the countries that you're trading their currency. You need to have information. There's a saying that goes, information is power. Now, conclusion: forex trading offers exciting opportunities, but comes with significant risks. Understanding market structure, key participants, and risk management strategies are crucial before engaging in forex trading. As we progress through this course, we will dive into deeper strategies and tools that can help you trade efficiently, effectively, and responsibly. And up to there, I think today's content is up. On Wednesday, we'll be covering the basics of forex trading from scratch. Up to there, does anybody have a question? Any questions? I'll take questions now. Beverly, do you have a question?
Not really, not really.
Lydia, any question?
Question.
What about Branson?
No question.
So since you've been in the market for long, what do you have to tell? Okay, you can tell the other students how long have you been trading?
I've been trading for quite a while, since 2022 till date, actively participating in the forex market.
How has the experience been?
I think it was the best decision I ever made because I love bigger challenges. I don't love simple things.
Okay. Any
Yes.
Okay, do you have anything that you can tell the beginners that come, because we are live, and I know this video will be seen by other beginners and who will want to get into forex trading. Do you have anything you can tell them about forex trading and the journey, how it has been?
Yeah, the journey is hectic, but I think it's the best journey. If you've chosen that path, I think it's the best. It separates you from the normal person you are, na inakuunda to a very new person that is able to meet the bigger finances in life and not be surprised about it. So I really encourage you guys to keep on going even when times are hard. Kuna hizo challenges zinakujanga, but you wake up na unaendelea juu. Ukiacha I don't think kuna very many stages zenye watu hawaambiwi, yenye mtu anakaribia tu kufika hapo na labda ana quit na hajaambiwa kuna hizo stages. So there are very many things you need to learn na throughout the journey, na until ufike hapo I think you need a mentor, mtu mwenye atakuambia tu live like this is the way to go. Hiyo tu ndo naweza sema.
So are you self-taught or through a mentor?
Yeah, I'm self-taught. Na that's why I say, hey, it's a long journey. Vitu mingi nimelearn by myself, na niko kwa stage yenye sasa, unajua kuna times unafeel unakuja unakuwa isolated, unabaki ni peke yako, unafikiria the journey ni yako peke yako, na hakuna mtu anaweza change your mindset. But ukishapita through that stage, unakuja unagundua pia unahitaji networking. Like hiyo network zikianza kufunguka, you need people, na from there tena una open a new chapter tena, so unarudi tena to the real world.
Okay. Thank you for that, Bryson. Any comments on today's class? I'll start with Branson again. Then we'll go to Lydia and finish with Beverly.
Comments, I think it was a good class, na yeah, nimepata kumbe kuna vitu nilikuwa nimesahau, especially kama hedge fund na governments in trading. It was a very key point, sijui nilisahau aje. Alafu there was a part pia ulikuwa umesema vile Trump akisema hivi. Yeah, kitambo tulikuwa tukifundishwa tunaambiwa tutafika huko mbele, like we have two types of analysis. Tulikuwa tunaambiwanga ni kauli ilikuwanga tunaambiwa ni fundamental analysis,
sentimental analysis.
Tulikuwa tunaambiwanga ni technical na fundamental. So siku hizi kina Trump hao na story kama za nini ndio inakuja sasa, ina make sentimental very powerful. So hiyo tu ndo zangu nimebambika kusikia na kukumbushwa pia. Thank you.
Welcome. Lydia.
Okay, kile naweza sema ni kuna vitu uliniuliza, nilikwambia na trade but ukasema nafaa kwa beginner, nilikwambia niko intermediate, unakumbuka? But sasa nimeona kweli niko kama beginner juu sasa hata mtu akiniuliza tuseme mambo ya pips wasijui, lakini niko hapo na trade. Mi bora tu nimeangalia market ina buy ama ina sell, but nimeona kuna vitu mingi za kusoma.
Okay, thank you for that. Anything else?
Anaweza sema it's not so easy but najua tutamake.
Okay.
Test zake like kama saa ingine kwa trade unaweza ingia kwa trade alafu uclose, the moment una close ina peak, the moment unasema uache ina hit stop loss, so saa ingine ina confuse mtu.
Okay. I get you. We shall work on that. Mi nishajua shida ni nini. Branson, ushajua shida iko wapi? Okay, thank you for that, Lydia. Beverly.
Okay, kwangu process zimekuwa poa sana. I just love how you explain everything. I have 1 month, but kama vile ulianza tu tangu jana, you've simplified everything. The PDF you sent us, everything is just okay. Because hapa pia naelewa zaidi. I'm okay with that. I love how you explain everything in simple terms. And in case someone makes me, kuna nilikwambia jana, I told you like the kitu tulifanya last time ilikuwa ni market structure. Siko najua kwamba hata hizi strategy nilijazia vitu. Ulikuja and you had to correct me. So like I just love how you explain everything. You make you make corrections. That's it. The class is okay. And the explanation too is very much okay.
Okay, noted. And thank you. So guys, I guess I told you class it'll take long. So for today's class, it's not technical, we are on theory. So for there, our class is ended. You guys can have a good night. Let's meet on Wednesday at 8 p.m.
Now